Welcome back to Fun with Fords. I am Eric, and I get a lot of questions of what else am I adding to this truck. Number one, not the cat, the DZ toolbox. Number two, the Airlift Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate Plus airbags. Number three, the Airlift Wireless One with easy mounts. The Ultra Guard heavy duty full length mud flap. The WeatherTech hood protector, stone bug deflector, whatever you want to call it. The AMSOIL oil bypass filter system with Don's oil bracket. This is the AMSOIL oil bypass filter. And then this is the Don's oil bracket. And I have 4 gold plugs. One for each differential. One's for the transfer case. And one for the engine. And a Renogy 50 amp DC to DC battery charger with solar capability. And I have a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. And some caution and warning lights for the back of the rear of the truck. Can never have too many caution and attention getting lights. I don't want to get hit on the side of the road. A Viper alarm system. This is not actually for the truck, this is for the trailer. And I'm going to put this in the chain box along with the battery, and it'll be connected to the battery, and it'll be used just in case I need to drop the trailer in some sketchy place. A Uniden Pro 505XL CB radio and a Fire Stick antenna. And a Kurt Q25 25,000 pound fifth wheel hitch. And a 20,000 pound Kurt pintle hitch. And a 14,000 pound Kurt weight distribution hitch. And this is the Magnum low profile rear headache rack, ordered 2 weeks ago, and they said it takes a month to get it. And this is the RDS fuel transfer tank model 71799, ordered 2 weeks ago, and they said it takes approximately 6 to 8 weeks from Northern Tool. This is the Ranch Hand Sport front bumper, and this was ordered from 4 Wheel Parts back in June, and they said it would be here by sometime November. And this is the Warn model 97740 16.5 Ti heavy duty winch, rated for 16,500 pounds. I ordered this back in June from 4 Wheel Parts, and they said the manufacturer has no idea when they'll get it.